Okay, psy243, this is going to be me walking you through me writing a review of the week 6 paper. So I've already read the paper, I've made notes on the paper, and what I'm going to do is think aloud as I write a model answer like you'll be required to write an answer for the coursework. So I've got a paper copy of the paper here. Here's the PDF, which you can see. I've got the wiki page. This is got the answer guide on, so reminders of what to include in each section. And I've got this text document here with the headings all written out. And I'm just going to talk aloud as I write out a model answer, and you can hopefully see a bit of how I do it. Right, why? So first off, who are these guys? Nettel et al. 2002. He says checking the paper. Yes, 2002. Set out to test an intervention on cycle thefts at the University of Newcastle, UK. Their theory. So in the introduction they say that the motivation is that lots of bikes are stolen, but we're psychologists, so really the motivation for these guys is that they've got a theory. So that's what I'm going to start with. Their theory was based on previous research which showed that signage including eyes was effective at making people follow social norms. So this is the charity box stuff that they refer to in the introduction. If I was really keen, I would go to the introduction, I would find some of that previous research and maybe cite it. Maybe I'll do that. Follow social norms, e.g. go to the introduction. A good example is the watching eyes effect. Displaying images of eyes causes participants to behave more pro-socially in laboratory contexts. That's references 12 to 14. There we go. How about this one? Haley Fessler. Nobody's watching. Subtle cues affect generosity in anonymous economic gain. So that's some of the previous research that they've cited. I'll go and put it at the references at the end, and I can give it as an example of research that they've based their work on. And maybe when I'd written this review, I would go and get that piece of paper and read it and see exactly what it shows, which you should probably do with everything you cite. The theory was based on previous research which showed that signage, including eyes, was effective at making people follow social norms. Could signs placed by cycle racks reduce thefts? Actually, rhetorical. I don't like rhetorical questions. So, a question where you're only asking it for effect. They wanted to know if signs placed by cycle racks could reduce thefts. Not a question, a statement. Maybe you can make the sentence better. So, reducing thefts is what happens, but psychologically, what happens is bike thieves are affected. So, I'm going to make it more specific, which is a good way of improving any piece of writing. They wanted to know if signs placed by cycle racks would affect cycle thieves, would deter is better than affect. deter cycle thieves. I always spelled thieves wrong. I before E, C. They wanted to know if signs placed by Socrates would deter cycle thieves. Okay, let's just look at the wiki. What is the theory? What is the specific aspect? I've said that. So I've said the specific theory. The general theory is that eyes induce social norm following. The specific hypothesis is signs of psychorax. Who's doing this? I've mentioned that a little. Why are they doing it? Previous research has shown that it's been effective for. So that I think I've covered them. Let's just pause.